Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play Crazy 8 on iMessage. Alright, first up, let's go ahead and open up the messaging app. And then once done, go ahead and select the conversation or the contact what you wanted to challenge. Okay, and then once done, go to the bottom left, tap on the plus sign, tap on more, and tap on store right here. Now go to the top right, tap on the search box, and just type down Game Pigeon. Okay. So go ahead and tap on Game Pigeon, and then you would need to install it. So tap on Get, wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, just close this one. And then reopen up the messaging app and find the contact. And once done, just tap on the plus sign, tap on More again, and this time you'll have Game Pigeon. So just tap on it, and then you would need to find the Crazy 8 game. As you can see here in the second row, we have Crazy 8. So just go ahead and tap on it. And it says here this game requires 3 to 6 players. So if it says this error right here, we would need to create a group. So again, open up messages. Right here, let's just go ahead and go back and tap on the create button. And under 2, we would need to add in the contacts. You could add in at least 2 more contacts right here so that the minimum number will be 3. Okay, you could add in 5 more players to make it 6. So just type down their numbers right here. Make sure that they own an iPhone and their iMessage is verified. Once the group is created, again, just tap on the plus sign and then more, then Game Pigeon, and find Crazy 8. And there you have it. That is how you play Crazy 8 on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.